When it comes to home improvements, replacing or installing new windows and doors is a major investment that can enhance both the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your home. Whether you're renovating or building from scratch, choosing a trusted company like Brandon Windows and Doors ensures you get high-quality products. However, even with the best materials, mistakes during installation can lead to poor performance, higher energy bills, or costly repairs down the line. To help homeowners get the most out of their investment, here are some common installation mistakes to avoid. Neglecting proper measurements. One of the most critical mistakes to avoid during window and door installation is incorrect measurements. A window or door that isn't measured accurately won't fit properly in the opening, resulting in gaps, poor insulation, and a drafty home. It's important to measure both the width and height of the opening and check for squareness. Even slight discrepancies can make a huge difference in the final installation. At Brandon Windows and Doors, we use advanced measurement techniques and tools to ensure your windows and doors fit perfectly the first time. Improper weatherproofing. Another common mistake is failing to properly weatherproof windows and doors. Without adequate weatherproofing, you risk water infiltration, which can lead to wood rot, mold, and higher energy costs. Ensure the proper installation of flashing and seals to keep moisture out and maintain a comfortable indoor climate. It's also crucial to use high-quality caulk or weather stripping, which helps create an airtight seal. At Brandon Windows and Doors, we use the highest quality materials to guarantee your windows and doors remain sealed and secure for years to come. Skipping the insulation. Insulating around the window and door frames is crucial to improve energy efficiency and prevent heat loss. Poor insulation can result in cold drafts in winter and high cooling costs in summer. Additionally, inadequate insulation can lead to condensation, which may damage your walls and windows over time. To ensure optimal insulation, install spray foam or fiberglass insulation around the edges of the window or door. A professional installation team, like the experts at Brandon Windows and Doors, will ensure that every step of the process, including insulation, is done correctly to help lower your energy bills. Incorrect or insufficient fastening. Windows and doors need to be securely fastened to the frame to ensure they operate smoothly and remain in place. Failing to use the right type or number of fasteners can cause structural issues, such as warping or loosening over time. It's crucial to use the right screws, anchors, and brackets to secure the frame. This helps prevent movement, which could eventually lead to gaps or drafts. A professional installer from Brandon Windows and Doors ensures that every fastener is correctly placed to guarantee durability and stability. Not addressing the existing frame. In many cases, homeowners will install a new window or door over an existing frame without assessing its condition. Over time, window and door frames can weaken due to moisture, wear, or pests. Before installing your new windows or doors, the old frame should be inspected and replaced if necessary. If you don't address the state of the existing frame, you could be jeopardizing the integrity of your new installation. At Brandon Windows and Doors, we always assess the condition of the frame to ensure your new windows and doors have a solid foundation. DIY installation mistakes. While DIY projects can be rewarding, installing windows and doors is a complex task that requires skill and experience. Mistakes such as misalignment, improper sealing, or failing to follow manufacturer guidelines can lead to costly problems. If you're unsure about the installation process, it's always best to hire a professional team with the experience and knowledge to do the job right. With Brandon Windows and Doors, you're guaranteed expert installation and support from start to finish. Choosing the wrong type of window or door. Choosing the right type of window or door is essential for both aesthetics and functionality. Many homeowners make the mistake of choosing based solely on looks or price, without considering energy efficiency, durability, or the specific needs of their home. For example, in cold climates, you might need double or triple glazed windows for better insulation. In areas with heavy rain, consider doors with enhanced weather resistance. Our team at Brandon Windows and Doors is happy to help you choose the right windows and doors tailored to your specific needs and environment. Conclusion. Replacing windows and doors can be an exciting upgrade for any home, but it's important to avoid common installation mistakes to ensure optimal performance and longevity. By working with Brandon Windows and Doors, you can trust that our expert installation team will handle the process with care, precision, and expertise. From accurate measurements to proper weatherproofing and insulation, we ensure that your windows and doors perform beautifully for years to come. Let us help you avoid costly mistakes and make your home more energy efficient, comfortable, and visually appealing.